Assalamualaikum everyone. So good morning to all ko dealer ni Unified. So for today's transaction tayo ng Unified via GCash transfer money. So click natin ang remittance and of course GCash send. And ayan, hanapin lang po natin yung GCash top up. Ayan, click natin yung GCash top up and please wait lang po natin. And of course, enter na po natin yung ating mobile number, which is yung mobile number ng ating GCash and customer name. Siyempre, dahil sa atin yan, is yung ating personal name yan. And take note na hindi po kailangan na may space kasi hindi tatanggapin ni system yan. And of course, yung amount kung magkano. So, papakita ko lang po kung paano nga ba siya through to website ni Unified gagawin. Based on my experience po. So, ayan. And note, please double check your transaction summary before submitting. And of course, kung dealer ka na Unified, maghihingi yan sila ng transaction password. Yan. And confirm lang natin. So, ganito lang pala kabilis. So, kadali transaction through to website ni Unified Products and Services. So, ayun, pumasok na yun. Na-receive na natin sa messages. Ayan. You have received 300 and of course titignan pa natin yan. Yan, i-view pa natin yung receipt. So yun lang po, maraming salamat for watching.